Here's a 2016 Audi Allroad. It's a family-friendly wagon during the week, a trailblazing adventure machine on the weekend. It comes with all the amenities you need: external memory control, dual-zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, power sliding and tilting sunroof, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, leather bucket seats, 4-wheel drive, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver explains, the cabin is well turned out as you'd expect, a veritable festival of high-buck materials screwed together with the precision of, well, an Audi. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.